It's Monday 3rd March, and the markets closed on a weak note amid broad-based selling. Market breadth remained negative, with declines outpacing advances. Let's take a look at today's key market highlights. The Nifty closed nearly flat, slipping just 5 points to settle at 22,119, while the Sensex declined 112 points to end at 73,085. Market breadth remained weak, with 2,865 stocks declining against 1,201 advancing. Sectorally, consumer durables, metals, and realty stocks saw gains of up to 1.2%, while PSU banks, media, and oil and gas stocks lagged, falling 0.3 to 1%. Bharat Electronics, Grasim Industries, Eicher Motors, JSW Steel, and BPCL led the Nifty gainers, posting strong gains amid selective buying in the market. On the flip side, Bajaj Auto, Coal India, Reliance Industries, Bajaj Finserv, and HDFC Bank dragged the index lower, facing selling pressure. The mixed trend reflected cautious sentiment. The rupee closed higher at 87.3700 against 87.4950, tracking regional gains. US tariff uncertainty and foreign outflows kept pressure, with analysts eyeing 88.20 ahead. Key US economic data will guide further moves. The Nifty 50's pay ratio has fallen below 20 for the first time since July 2022, signaling a significant valuation shift. The drop follows aggressive FII selling, with outflows hitting $13 billion in 2025. This marks only the second time in 5 years that the pay has slipped below 20, the last being during the Russia-Ukraine war in 2022. The lowest recorded level was 17.15 on 23 March 2020. NSE Indices introduced the Nifty India Internet and E-commerce Index to track companies operating through online platforms. Weights are based on free-float market capitalization, capped at 20% per stock. With a base date of 1 October 2021 and a base value of 1,000, it will be reconstituted semi-annually and rebalanced quarterly. The broader market saw mixed trends today. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 edged up 0.14%, showing resilience, while the Small-Cap 100 dipped 0.27%, reflecting cautious sentiment. This divergence highlights selective buying in mid-caps, while small-cap stocks faced mild pressure. Gold prices rose 0.4% to $2,869 an ounce on Monday, rebounding from a 3-week low as a weaker dollar and safe haven demand offset pressure from rising interest rates. Concerns over US tariffs, with Trump imposing an extra 10% duty on Chinese imports, added to market uncertainty. Jio Financial hit a record low, dropping 4.3% intraday to 198.6 rupees. The stock has fallen 37% in 3 months and over 32% in a year, underperforming the Sensex. Despite partnerships with BlackRock and expansion into financial services, Q3 profits stood at 294.8 crore rupees, down sharply from Q2 FY25. Indigo maintained its dominance in India's aviation market, capturing a 65% share in January 2025. Despite domestic air traffic growing 11% YoY to 14.61 million passengers, the airline saw a 20% YoY surge in its passenger count, reaching 9.5 million. Strong operational efficiency and strategic expansion contributed to its growth. Aegis Transact Technologies shares fell 5% after the company disclosed that a creditor is seeking insolvency proceedings over alleged unpaid dues. Maxwell Aircon India Private Limited, an operational creditor, has approached the National Company Law Tribunal, citing default in repayments. Aegis Transact confirmed the filing in an exchange statement. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.